Well, today is 29th of June, and yesterday, on 28th of June, Sonam Wangchuk, the famed environmentalist and educator, has started his hunger strike at Jantar Mantar, demanding the resignation of the education minister, the central education minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, and as well as also demanding the full autonomy of the Ladakh region as well. And I was curious about hunger strikes because I cover the news and political news especially from lot of countries, but I have never heard that a hunger strike has been held in any other country except for India. I have never seen in any country that a hunger strike has been held to bring down the government. A hunger strike has been held by the opposition parties to demand the resignation from a member of government. A hunger strike has been held to force the government to bring some new law. But no, never happens in any other country except for India. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it happens. Nowhere in the modern politics of the world I have seen a hunger strike has been held in a country except for India. But it only happens here in India. I don't know why. And the concept of hunger strike is quite common in India too. A person would sit on the hunger strike, and the people close to him, when the government would not heed what he is saying, the person close to them would bring up some child, and that child would feed him something. The person who is doing the strike, that child would feed him something, or that child would force him to drink some juice or water or something like this, whatever. And there are some videos circulating of Sonam Wangchuk in which he can be clearly seen drinking some water, or he can be clearly seen drinking something. And some people are saying that he has started the hunger strike. He is not going to eat anything, but he is going to drink water and salt to maintain electrolyte balance or whatever. He is going to take some salt, and to hydrate himself in this weather, he is going to drink some water as well. And he has also called on his supporters, the people who are supporting the Cockroach Janata Party. He has called on to them that they should also come to the Jantar Mantar and observe at least 1 day of hunger strike, 1 day of function with him. And the people who cannot afford or who cannot manage to come to Jantar Mantar or come to Delhi, they can do that in their respective cities of their respective states. They should at least observe 1 day of function or 1 day of hunger strike along with him. Whatever, it is going quite good. They are doing quite a good job, I should say, but I do not think they would be able to, fulfill their demands. They would be able to force the government to fulfill their demands. Because the birthday of Dharmendra Pradhan was, I think, on 27th of June, and Narendra Modi congratulated him on his birthday and also praised him for bringing this new educational policy and doing this work in educational fields, whatever he is doing. He commended his efforts, whatever efforts he is putting into. But yeah, it looks like that he is in no mood of bringing him down from his post. So whatever, the hunger strike is going on, and the fact that caught my attention was that in no country other than India I have seen a hunger strike has been held in modern politics. I'm saying you can dig out some old videos or some old news from somewhere, but it has not happened in modern politics. I have not seen in any other country except for India. Yeah. Okay, bye.